guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would do just a quick video about some of my most recent supplies for junk journaling. So without further ado, let's dive into it. This set is from Amazon, and I usually do a lot of my purchasing from like junk journaling websites or AliExpress or Temu, but I wanted to give one of these sets a try because it kind of takes all of that stuff you find there and puts it into one convenient box for a decent price, and you get it very fast. So I will link this set and the books that I will talk about in a minute in the description box. But let's go through this kit. I haven't used anything yet and haven't really looked at it, so I'm quite excited. Up first are these like clear acetate stickers, which I love to use these in my actual planner for my monthly views. So this would be a really pretty one for August. So I'm definitely gonna save these. I am obsessed with this type of like sticker. I'm sure it has like a specific name to it, but I don't know, I just like it. What I liked most about this kit was the variety of smaller sheets. So you can like mix and match. So there's a bunch of different like scrapbooking thinner papers that you can use for spreads and like rip these up. It just adds a really nice variety to my collection. I have a decent amount of stuff now, so when I do purchase things, I want them to be different and like enhance the collection rather than just being like the same thing over and over again. So this is another pack of paper. There are a ton of papers in here. These are like grids when I like to do more like book, like scholarly, sciencey spreads. And there are 60 pieces, I think, in all of these. So I will be set for a while. These have like green, cottage garden themed. This one's super pretty, like floral pastels. And then a like postage stamp. Oh, I want to check out the guys in the back. They look interesting. Oh, it's like a little girl. So this is like vintage junk journal supplies. A lot of people like to use this like antique looking stuff for their spreads. I like to mix things up, as you saw through my big like first journal flip through. I like to use a bit more bright colors. I occasionally will do spreads like this, but I tend to stay more towards doing bright stuff. But I really like these little postcard papers. This one's probably my favorite out of everything in the set. Next up is a glue tape dispenser. I go through these like crazy. I use this like red version I got from Amazon, and I feel like it runs out really fast, but I'm also, you know, using it a lot. So this is the brand I got from Amazon, so I'm excited to see how this compares. I think they're about the same amount of material. So we'll see, we'll do a little comparison, which one I like more. And last in this kit is a collection of 100 pieces. This is a really good like starting out kit, I think, just to like get your feet wet into junk journaling without having to like go crazy overboard. And it has a variety of different tags. I personally don't like these white outlines, so if I use these, I'll probably cut it out tighter so it looks a little more like, less like a printed out thing. These are really cool though. I really like this one. And then I'll probably end up using the backing card as well, because that's what a junk journal's for, all of your junk. Now we're going to move on to these sticker books. So we actually started carrying these in our store, and I have been eyeing them for a while. And one day I was like, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm getting them. So I got 3 different ones, and they are just chocked full. There's literally 500 in this one, 900 in this one, and 500 in this one. Just stickers. And I've used them a little bit already, and they just have this really unique variety of stickers that fit like the vintage theme, but also you can use a little more modern spreads. I am going to do a creepy angel spread for sure. And I think they just really add to a kit or to a layout. So this is just like the general ephemera. I don't know how to say this. Ephemera. This one's cool. This one is all mystical themed, so like bats and potions and black cats, fairies and constellations. I really like this one too. As you can see, I've used some stickers from all of these books so far. And then the last one is actually the first one I got. It's all florals. So birds and flowers, botanicals. I thought this would be really useful for my monthly spreads in my Erin Condren like main planner. I want to do like a colored themed floral spread for each of the monthly views. So this would be really helpful for doing that so that everything matches. This also has a bunch of fruit in it. So those are just some of the things I picked up recently for junk journaling. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out the links in the description if you're interested in picking any of these up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.